Kung Pao O'Malley. Ratoncito le gusta danza quando è studio en la escuela. Pajarita si cude botín cuando
What's up y'all guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So this is probably gonna be the last video of 2019, so I'm just signing off from 2019 by showing you this video. So this video is really special, and because everyone is requesting me for months, like how to see the deleted WhatsApp message or Instagram message or any messages that has been deleted function in it. So how to see that? So there's an app called notification history. By that you can check anything, like any deleted message the person has deleted from their phone and you want to check it out. Oh, so kinky. So you can do it by that, man, that app. So that app is really pretty dope, man. I've been using it for years now. So without a further ado, let me hop into it, man.
And yes, this is how the app looks on the Play Store. So as you can see over here, these are all the screenshots. So without further ado, let's go into the app. So the app icon will be like this. So let's go. Let's start in the video. So as you can see that this is the app which I'm talking about. So let's go, click onto it. So it will first tell you to it's initially it's all disabled, so you have to give the permission access to everything. So let's go. Notification history, as you can see, you just have to open on toggle button and OK to it, and then notification access you have to just allow it and go back, and everything is good. So now just press OK, and now I will show you a snippet of what exactly you can see the message that one person has deleted to you. So let's go. So as you can see, I just done all the thing in this notification app. So now let me send the message. First of all, I will close this phone. I'm not using it. So this is, let me send some message like so I've sent this message to this phone. So it will just don't show anything because my net is closed right now. And suppose like I just deleted this message, delete for everyone. So it is now deleted. So when I see over here, it will show me deleted. Let's turn out this app like this. Message was deleted. Like I'm not getting any message right now over here. So let me just go on to that app notification. So now here it's showing all the app that is going on right now. So now if WhatsApp business, it's my basic WhatsApp app. So let me open this. Like you can see the message over here which he has written.
Bada bop boom pow.
Niba and Niba. There's also the smiley. You can also see the smiley. So this is pretty much it. And if you can also select and delete if you want to some storage issue. By the way, this only give you some bytes of the data. And if you want to delete all the messages, then you can click here. If you want to delete older than 30 days, and if you want to keep the latest 300 messages, stop. So it's up to you. If you want to clear all the notifications, just click all and just delete it. So this is pretty much it and pretty much lit.
I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please give a like and comment down what should I do next, and if you want me to do anything, any of your cover, any trick shots or anything like that, just mention it down below, like what should I do next on my YouTube video, and you will get a mention. And also I'm starting the Instagram shoutouts if you want anybody to do so. So just comment down below what should I do next and with their Instagram ID, and I'll do it. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. 2019 is almost over, and happy new year to everyone who is stepping into 2020. I hope you all get the best out of it, because I'm going to put on lots of content this year, man. This year is gonna be a blast, man. Come on. So I hope you like it. Enjoy your 2020, guys. See y'all. Peace out.